All right, so today we're gonna take a look at Autel's most expensive drone and quite possibly their largest drone. But before that, let's have a word from our sponsor.
Why the sad face there, Kenny boy?
Well, everybody's mad at me because I broke this gimbal even more on the Mavic Mini.
Well, the only way to make things better is to make things worse.
You're right, but how?
You need the Drone Blender 5000.
How did this blender get here? Oh my God! It's glorious.
I bet you that blender's making you thirsty.
You're right. I should make a smoothie. But I need some juice. That'll do. But will it blend? That's delicious. Thanks, Drone Blender 5000.
We've yet to fly this yet, so everything you all are seeing is our first time. This ground station here will help with range. Supposedly a 17-mile range. We're not gonna obviously push it 17 miles, but a little bit windy today. That shouldn't affect this. This thing usually does really well in the wind. This is a VTOL. Can take off like a drone, but fly like a plane. So should be pretty interesting. Woo. Beast. It's got its own dedicated smart controller. And we've got the repeater. So this should be fun. It's up 200 feet and it freaking sounds like it's right next to us. Wow, that thing moves, dude. Holy Christ, that thing moves. How fast is that going?
43.
Holy crap.
So if you just stop, it gets pretty fucking pissed off.
Yeah, so I noticed that when you stop, it gets louder.
Oh.
Is that it doing that?
Yeah, it makes all kind of neat noises apparently.
Dude, this thing is fast, 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 fast.
Yeah, in forward mode, it's ridiculous.
So,
Just watch that plane on. Just don't go too far. We only got like 11 minutes left.
yeah, I'm watching that. So I thought flying my Cinelifters with the $2,000 camera was nerve-wracking. I will tell you that this is way, way more nerve-wracking. This is a $150,000 drone. And while it takes off like a drone, some of the characteristics are more like an airplane, not so much an actual physical drone. But camera's really interesting. It's gonna take us a little bit of time to get used to it. Today was our first time flying this. But as we get a little more proficient with it, we can go into detail of what this is really used for. I will tell you that this is not something anybody, probably no hobbyist, would ever attain. This is going to be something for search and rescue, police departments, possibly even fire departments that are working an infrastructure that's on fire and they need something that's going to be up in the air but out of the way. and stay up there for a long period of time, that's where something like this is going to really come in handy. So search and rescue, fire, and even inspections, because again, this takes up a long wingspan, and you can stay in one spot, hover, and just cast yourself down a series of lines. So it's really interesting to see. But that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you already haven't. We'll see you in the next video. Stay original.
I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so. You not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so. They like my family, so they go pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank. They see the number. All of my haters feel one of two ways. Really upset, or they show some respect. I can't even think about it. I've been up.